Hi traders, good morning and welcome the live. The market in yesterday tried to test the downside again, but in close arrive new to it from Trump and the market recovery. And this good recovery stay again here, but more or less the price now is in range, this range for today, RD2, RD1, more or less this zone. So I think remain here because don't see new elements. So I don't know if arrive when the market open new elements, new to it, new scenario. I don't know, guys. But the situation maybe won't say here and attend for attend the new elements, new development of this situation, guys, because honestly for me don't is clear. Maybe the market now just believe tweet from Trump, but if you read the tweet from Irony is opposite in the opposite side of from Trump. So I don't know where is the truth, honestly. For this reason, I think the market's here because I don't know where is the truth. This is the situation for me. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Just open this live and wait now to the open, but I repeat, maybe I can put order in this zone, sell, and this zone, buy. In Italy, because I think the market stay in this range, more or less. Maybe can go to retest this area also, HV. It's possible if I break this zone, but more or less in this time stay again in this big candle from yesterday in close. So I want to work this scenario in range in the first part of the day, and I happened and see if market break to the upside or downside. For me is the same, but wait. And for this reason I just passed this order. Okay. Good morning, guys. Tell me in chat please if the audio and the video is okay, please, because I don't see any message and I don't know if the video is okay. Of course, if the video like you, will give me like to video, subscribe the channel, active bell, and don't miss any video. Thank you, Scott. Thank you. So I repeat, guys, in this first time for open, I just placed the 2 sell limit on top of this level, on this range, because the market stay here all day. So I think in the first time stay here again. If a break, I follow the break, of course, but in the first time I think this. For this reason I placed this order and I wait now open for 6 minutes again to open. I hope you stay green today. Good movement in the London session, and the next time I want I stay work for new elements, but I have a need to time. Good morning, NM. Good morning, you too. I repeat, guys, welcome again to all. Now the market after yesterday in the close, this big candle recovery all descent from yesterday more or less and stay again in this range. Uh, After the open of regular trading hour, the market see here up and down, but more or less see again in this range. For this reason, I just placed the order sell limit on top and buy limit on bottom to try to enter because I think the market won't stay in this range in the first time, I repeat. But of course I can be wrong, so just wait to see. And I to understand because we can start also big candle directly to test this zone. It's possible, but honestly I don't think. For this reason my scenario is this for this time. Can change of course, but in this time is this. If take a shot, if I enter, take a stop, don't worry. Share market tell me you wrong. I want continuation, maybe to the upside or to the downside. I don't know. To the downside is more possible break this area for retest HV. So in the first time I want to try to enter here. If take a stop loss, eventually I can rebuild in this area new long to understand if really want to break daily range. I want to go to test area to the downside, but in this time maybe this top, this area, this double bottom from today, I think can save it. And the same of course on top we have all this this top. So just to see what happened, guys. Now the price is more or less in the middle of this range. Exactly, more or less. So can happen to the upside. This market is in chop, guys, in this time because the situation in Middle East now maybe come to the escalation, but I'm not sure the news is true, honestly. And for this reason the market say here maybe the range decrease, volatility can decrease because the operator maybe want to wait to understand better the situation. Okay, guys, just 1 minute to open. I repeat, I have just placed the sell limit on top on this range, buy limit on this on bottom to just to understand if I want to stay in range again. Okay. Okay, just start to the upside, but I don't see again order. to go exactly here. Again here. Don't go again. I wait, guys. The market see again here. Don't try energy. More tonic ES in this time, respect to NQ. Don't go, guys. Don't go to test this area again in this zone. Imagine this as a volume profile. This is the bell, but maybe I want to go to upside. Don't want to move from here, guys. I wait because honestly don't like much. Maybe want to break or the volume don't is very high this time for opening. Guys, I don't even don't see much to do in this time. The price again here in middle, so wait. Maybe can go to retest test directly here. Maybe don't have strength to test this area. But it's in chop. Market is in chop for me. Don't have much energy to move. Look, this time only 50 points. The volatility decrease, guys. The market moving chop for me. Maybe can go here to retest this area, or now start a big candle. So don't have clear intention, because I repeat, the situation don't is clear. So can now try to break again, but in the first 5 minutes again the price here exactly where more or less where the price open. Don't move. Don't try to touch the top, to touch the bottom. Only volatility decrease. Maybe now go. Guys, I take one at market, but maybe wrong, because I have a need to wait this top, but maybe don't have energy to go here. But of course here I take another, maybe I can if I go here, I just think to do. Okay, now catch another order. Oh, but now it's possible break. Now I am in with two contracts. Second contract entry on RD2. Maybe I delete this. Just put here my stop, but maybe want to break. Try to energy in this area. I take another two. Of course, if break this zone, want to go up and I reverse position, maybe. I open retrace from here to, because again in range. Maybe I anticipate, maybe it's better entering this zone. I don't know if a good good break, maybe. But from this zone I want to try short, because so far all day the market stay here. Maybe just go to test the top, maybe break. It's possible. If re-entry on RD2 below 500, I have a good opportunity. Maybe the market go to retest this zone again, because won't see in range. Okay, stop loss to break even now. Okay, I close it too. I cover two, because can retest again. Maybe I can re-entry again, or continuation now and go again to test this area. Oh, done. Recovery. Oh, I hope don't don't break RD2 and resist RD2 500 and go down. Let's go. Don't go. I wait. Oh, catch me, guys. I take $700, so $800. Now wait. But I repeat again here. Maybe. I just think to if I take. I place another order here on top. But don't fill my order. I take one at market again and leave another here and stop loss here. If I take me, I reverse position, of course. I hope don't take spike. This is 5-minute chart, guys, because the platform work better sometimes. Guys, I delete this, stop loss to break even again. Maybe I can save it some points. Okay. And now I want to see if we want to go to retest this area. Start trailing, but don't want to go. I can take a profit of more or less $500, but I just want to see if we want continuation and stay really in this range. I hope this is without retest again. And catch again my stop. Okay, now start my trailing. Okay, because with this market can change direction, and I want to maximize this trade. Okay, of course I can take profit now, $100 more or less. It's good, but I hope to go to retest this area, because I repeat, for me the price won't stay in range. Maybe go here and the same. Unfortunately I take only one. Maybe catch me. Not again. I am again in. catch me, and after can continuation to the downside, because I repeat guys, for me the day is in range. The markets here can stop now from here because this is the middle of range, and can retest again this area and after go down. It's possible. For this reason I attach my trailing. Now if I break this zone, as have a good opportunity to see this area, or if don't break now, can go to retest this area and catch my profit. Eventually I re-enter in this area on RD2 again in short. Let's go guys, let's go. How it going for you guys? I open break this zone and go quickly in this area to take a profit, because I think in this area can rebounce again, but can stop also here, because I repeat, this area is the top. Also in this zone break, after this zone, this area more or less 500 and 15 13 more or less, it's area hard to re-break to the downside, but it's good the same. I have more or less now 15 points, so let's go. I want acceleration to the downside now guys. Let's go, let's go. If break this area, to be optimist. I follow the trade guys. Now I want to break this. If break this area, oh, this is the last bottom. I want to see if I want to go to the test each move. It's possible, or this area. I don't know. But the trade, I just moved the take a profit. Of course, I have a trailing and a continuation in trailing. This trade, nice trade, guys. Of course, now my avidity tell me don't close, but the wise decision is take a profit in this area because can start again to the upside. But just now I read some headline from irony, and I don't know what what happened, guys. It's hard to understand the truth, but I repeat, guys, now just close here my trade, but the price arrive here, now go to the upside maybe. I just this my only two trade for so far. But I repeat, I think the day is this in this area. Just want to see if you want to go just here to try to take a long. Nice, NM, nice. Don't catch me, don't catch me, guys. For 5 points. I open retest, but it's possible go down. Look this this movement, but honestly for me it's only the real two for range so far. Damn it. Now I am in delay to take now from because 40 points. I hope now go to retest and fill my order. Of course, I just try to see if what say in this range. How I try to entry here short, here good idea, try to entry long because the price stay in range without new elements. Just now read this tweet, but honestly I don't know if true only this tweet arrive on X, but maybe want to break, don't want to recover in nothing. Don't fill my order for one trick, guys. Again, I take it to market. So I have now to be to stop loss too high, too much high respect before, because if I enter here is right because the stop loss go exactly below this too low. But now I think this later open because I think maybe just now start this moment and my ability tell me entry, but wrong. Okay. So guys, can catch my stop loss, but the same can for retest this area maybe and stay again in range. I hope start now, or I can, because if I put stop loss to break even, catch me immediately. But maybe start now. If recovering now this level, stop loss to break even. If the price go in this area, I retake the order. Just don't take profit, because can continuation directly, and now I am in. But if want retrace, I don't want risk to take stop, because I think it can go to retest this area maybe. In the last time, if now don't try energy to stay to test more or less this area. Okay, maybe can go here and after can re-enter in range again, or of course can break directly and go to retest HV. It's possible. Of course guys, I enter only one, don't take profit. Now I have $400. It's not is bad. Just save 1 point to 2 points for commission. Okay, but I want to try to stay in this trade, because if good can start a big candle and go also here, for example, directly. With this volatility, with this market, without new elements, market move in this range, and sometimes is very easily, and sometimes is very hard, because can break, can do fake break of range, and you think maybe break to the downside, and after just break 10 points, 20 points, and restart quickly to the opposite side. So for this reason, without new elements, I try to stay in, but with conservative mood. Okay, because the market can change in 1 second. Just go to test here, maybe. Damn, I don't. Just test this zone. Don't. I hope resist. Oh, don't take nothing. Damn. Now wait, because can go here again. But if don't re-entry immediately now, or try to break, maybe can break this range to the downside, guys. It's probably because can go to replace this candle from yesterday in the close. I retry entry. Oh, don't feel me, don't feel me. Okay, now feel me. $30 points stop loss, but maybe it's better to low, because just catch me, guys, immediately. Maybe maybe I want to break, maybe I want to break, or just done. I forgot, just maybe go to test this exactly. I wrong this trade, guys. I put short, maybe I hope now we'll go to retest this area, or I have needed to close because I'm wrong. Okay guys, I reverse position because I'm wrong to place it. I placed the sell stop and don't take buy limit. Now I am in with 2. Oh. One close and another stop loss to break even, just to see if want continuation. Now here start my trailing on this level. If now break this level, can go quickly in this zone. Now I need to continuation. Start my trading, guys. Now I hope don't close me. Sorry guys, I wrong about before to place the order. I click here and not here, but don't worry, after I take 2 and recover some points before. But want to break 400. If recovery 400, I am sure go to the upside and catch my target. If break this zone entry on above this low, the price go. I am happy. 2 good trade so far. Only what you see on my chart in this time. I have also other indicator, but don't use in this live because platform crash. But you can see live all the live. Oh, just catch me all the live, and you can see other indicator, or you can see on my website. Just one moment, I can. here you can see my model. So guys, this is the situation so far with for my trading life. But I repeat, guys, now I wait to see if break this zone, because if break this area, can go quickly again. I take one at the market, can go to that. Maybe I'm wrong now to click, but I hope now go here for example, or I take this stop stupid, if because from this zone can retrace in this area, I can enter here. And my mind today not is very focused also to the before I placed the sell and not buy. But don't worry. So I repeat, I think the price would stay in this range, guys. Catch me. I don't want to risk with another, because I want to see here another 20 minutes more or less. But damn it, catch me. Yes, catch my thought, but I'm wrong this trade, guys, to enter on this impulse, because I know to wait to see in the first, because just this is the middle of the range, and we have all this low, and the second, because we have need to wait to retest for entry. I'm wrong, don't worry. Ravip, I think you have needed to set it. If you send me your screenshot on Discord, I can help you after. Okay. Or if you give me some moments, I can show you heat map. Okay. Hoopla. I don't forgot. I forgot. Where is? This is the level. Where is the difference? It's the same. How you can see it's the same level. It's okay, right? Maybe you have a need to adjust your platform, okay? Here I have I don't have connect broker, and I see in delay the chart, but the level is the same. It's okay. How you can see, this is a heat map, okay? and this is the daily pro. It's the same level. How you can see is the same. Okay guys, it's okay. Ravi Penumatsa. I don't know if through my, sorry for I'm wrong. Okay guys, the price again here. Now wait. Okay, don't worry. If you have a problem, send me a message in DM. Don't have a rush, and don't hesitate. Okay. So guys, I repeat, the direction for me is it's this. I just take before stop, done, and the price again, or maybe I have a need to remake stop below this also you entry here. For entry you have need to place the stop below this top bottom, and I think the price go here again. Maybe up and down, but the finally I think go here again. I just think if we have time to take another, but I don't think go directly. Maybe stay here sometimes. And thank you, Seixas. Welcome. So guys, I hope you ever learned some today. I repeat, for me the day is in the range, because the situation is this. Without new elements, the market say here up and down in this range. So you can put, of course, can exit from this range. I don't know if exit to the upside or downside, honestly. But I repeat, now the price. Unfortunately, I manage not good some trade today. Maybe I don't am very focused today. It's sometimes happened. But don't worry for this. I have a good gain in 15 minutes at work, so I am happy to show you good elements, and above all to show you my level work correctly and exactly how the strategy tell you the uply this level up and down, because the price is in the range, and I have take short on RD2 and long on RD1, simply. Okay guys, I hope you have a great evening and see here tomorrow. Don't forget, if the video like you, give me like to video and subscribe the channel, meet your friend, share the link, okay? And see you later in chat. Thank you all for your attention guys. See you tomorrow for another day trading. Thank you guys, thank you, see you later in chat. Thank you guys.